Today I'm going to be doing such an exciting video. I will be unboxing American Girl to Be Forever, Julie's holiday outfit. So I don't actually have Julie yet, but since I'm asking for her for Christmas, I have her holiday outfit. But you might have seen her holiday outfit on the app today. But I'm going to be opening the most rare outfit that Julie's ever had. This is like the most rarest one. So the dress is a short sleeve, but when she wears it, she puts this clear outfit on. It's just so pretty. And since Julie is a 70s girl, like you can just tell that this is 70s print. It is so pretty. Now, some stretchy, like white-ish mixed with like a tannish type. And for the last two things, some shoes. This is so cool. They are cross shoes. These are so pretty. So you cross them. Julie's holiday outfit is so cute. So this is really rare and hard to find. Because it's just like, I don't know if it's her first holiday outfit, but it's the rarest one. So, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Bye.